include another option. Include another option in groups. Okay.
Okay.
So when we create groups in Tableau, we will get an option to group all the remaining or non-grouped members into an other group. Other in quotes. The name itself is other group. So it is given as include other option in that grouping menu, and this option will be useful for highlighting certain groups or comparing specific groups against everything else. Okay, you have specified some grouping functionality and group certain members into one group, and you want to just compare this group with the rest of the members in the dataset. So then it is useful. So we will create a view to understand this. So we'll take a region, okay, and we'll add it to the rows, and say we will add something like profit, okay, and put it in the columns, and we'll sort this region by profit itself in descending order. So we want to group the top 4 regions, okay, as the top 5 performing profit-making regions. So we'll do that part first. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay, and say group, and I will rename this by saying editor. Yeah, once again, yeah, tell me.
In my Excel, it just shows 4 regions. I don't know why yours shows like all the Southern Africa, Eastern. Mine just has like Central, East, South, and West.
You're using the one from this one in your repository.
Sorry.
The Excel you're using is it from my Tableau repository?
Yeah, the sample, the superstore.
Yeah, that is which is in after you install the Tableau, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So sometimes, like based on some versions, they would have some dimensions are less and more.
Okay, sorry,
So you
sorry. Okay.
can search the Excel also in Google. Sometimes you'll get the other dimensions also.
But
It's
it's the
more.
same, right? It's just.
It is more or less the same. The data would be differing. That's it.
Oh, okay, okay, okay.
Might be having less regions, or
Oh, okay,
you might
okay.
be having less columns sometimes. Sometimes region also is not there in few Tableau repositories.
Oh,
So
okay.
there's just the data change. That's it.
Oh, okay.
You can search the Excel, or I'll send this Excel to Arun. Maybe he'll put it over there in the
Okay, no
same.
problem.
Yeah, and you can download the same thing if you want. So we'll name this as top 5. What do you say? Top 5 regions. Okay, 5 regions I have selected. I'm saying it as top 5 regions. So this is the profit for the top 5 regions. So now I want to compare with my top 5 how the rest of the regions are performing. So for that, you have this option in the edit group. Okay, go to edit group and select this option of include other. When I say apply, the rest of the members are all grouped into one more group, say other, and their total profit is.
Less.
So this is how you can use this option of include other, and it is easy to compare from your group members how is the performance with the rest of the data.
Okay.
So your top 5 is almost contributing to 823,000, and the rest is just contributing 643,000.
Yeah.
So immediately you can understand like how important are these regions. So in such cases, you can use this concept of include other, and you are in this subcategory, right? So if you want to edit the group, what we should do? So after you have created a group, and one thing we have created was furniture. You want to add some more groups, or you want to change the default group name. So how we should do that? So if you want to add members to an existing group, you can say either by drop down, say edit group, or right click and select edit group on in the rows shelves, or you can go to that subcategory group over here and do the same thing. So when you click it, you'll get this dialog box for editing the group. So as of now, furniture is there. So in maybe in furniture, if there is something else you want to add, you can add. Say machines is also part of it. For example, just for sake of example, then
Okay.
you can say apply. So machines also will go into furniture. If you see here, there is
Okay.
no machine separate one. So again, you go edit group, and someone says, no, machines cannot be part of your furniture. So you can say ungroup it,
Okay.
and it will come out of that furniture group as a separate element. So machines is back as a separate element when you ungroup it. The next is we can create one more new group, okay, within this subcategory group. One more thing we want to create. So what is that? Say, technology is easier. I think we have accessories, copiers, machines, and phones. Okay, we'll create this group now. So accessories, machines, sorry, machines, phones. So, there was one more thing, right? Do you remember? Appliances, probably. So we'll say this group, one more group. We'll call this as technology now. Okay, we have furniture, we have technology. So that's how you edit the groups. So once you have created this group, you can go here and say edit group, and you
Mm-hmm.
can add more groups over here,
Okay.
or you can ungroup them also. So is it clear up to this point, groups, the concept
Yes.
of grouping?
Yeah.
It's just like reorganizing whatever you're seeing on the visualization. So it is not just bars and data pane also. Let me show one more thing. Profit and sales with some country, and country should be in colors. So if you see this, I'm plotting. This is called clustering actually. So I'll talk about this chart later, but just for the example of this grouping I'm showing. So
Mm-hmm.
you have this sales and country and profit. Sales is on the x-axis and profit on y-axis, and I'm coloring these different circles based on this different countries, and these are the different points which are there. So I want to see which are high on sales and high on profit, and there are some which are low on sales and low on profit. Okay, and some which are not so much on sales and not that great on profit. So there are different things which you can see on the visualization. So after seeing this, maybe you'll say this is one set. Okay, and here you got the option of grouping. So that is one set, and you can name it over here whatever you want. So as of now, it is showing a country group based on this Australia, China, France, and some other countries. So just
Mm-hmm.
you have seen this, and you say like a medium range, something like that. So for that, you can go here, edit this group, and whatever this is today, you just rename. medium range.